Hello. Hope you are doing good today. My name is Hannah. I am from Infoil Studio. Today I will be the presenter of a very interesting and practical topic of software testing. So let's start. Let me quickly tell you the topics I will be covering in this session. First, what is testing? Second is some problems with testing, and some benefits. Let's discuss the definition. Testing consists all life cycle activities. Testing is both static and dynamic. Third point is, testing is concerned with planning and preparation. When it will begin, when it will analyze requirement, implement test cases, when testing ends, and when it will release. The objective of testing is to meet its business and technical requirements. And the main purpose of testing is to detect defects. Now let's discuss the problems with testing. The first problem is, how many of us have experienced that maintaining good quality in a product becomes rather challenging when the team size increased in comparison to when the team was lean? Another problem to which managers/leads will relate better is that the knowledge or expertise on a particular module or testing type gets centralized to a few members in the team. Third problem is, if you throw only work towards your people, then eventually they will get exhausted, bored, and frustrated. Another one is larger teams is distributing work amongst the team. If you simply assign tasks as per your choice, then there is the possibility of ending up that a person getting similar complexity tasks again and again, leading to limited personal growth. A person getting similar modules to test again and again, leading to frustration over time. Another problem is categorize each of your team members into the rock star, performer or underperformer. Here are some benefits of software testing. First one is, software testing is necessary, because it helps in identifying defects. Second point is, testing process may not fix the entire defect present in the software application, and it cannot guarantee that the software is 100% error-free, but it provides user-friendliness. Next point, through software testing, we can get better quality software. And the last one is, software testing is important for increasing confidence that the software meets specification.